What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And Union finally shipped. Let me tell y'all, man, I brought the sneaker release date from the Union website, and it said it was coming, and then it never came. I had to contact them. They sent me out a new pair. So shout out to Union for doing what the customers like, man. But anyway, we're gonna get into a 4K review of these. What I find amazing about this sneaker is that when the first Jordan 1 Union came out, I just couldn't get it. Aww. And I hated it. Now they come out with another Jordan 1, and it's a love story. I'll tell y'all about it later. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So on my hand is the Summer 96 Jordan 1 Union Bephies Beauty. A lot of names, man. And I said it's a love story because the two people who put this sneaker together, I think it's Chris Gibbs and Beth Burkett. They put together two pairs for the Summer 96 and incorporated them together because they're together. So it is kind of a love story. Which I think, man, I think so. Y'all fact check that. But I think that's what I read. So it came out with a different pair also, the Elevate. That's more for the females. Even though some would say these are more for the females too, but that's definitely more for the females. These Jordan 1s, man, I had to get them. I didn't care how they look. I didn't need pictures. I had to get them because I felt miserably on the first Jordan 1 in Union joints that the next Jordan 1 came out, I had to get. I mean, I still was Union copping these. I got the other colorway there, the Passport Pack. I was copping. But they just wasn't Jordan 1s. And you know, Jordan 1s, SB Dunks, that's one of my favorites. I even got the Bephies Beauty 7s or 6s. Yeah, but that wasn't for me. But shout out to Bephies Beauty. I like the way they incorporated that braid stuff. You know what? We've been talking too long. Let's unbox them. Excuse me. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get like a vintage Polaroid picture box look. It does scream summer of any year. 96, 97, 98. Only thing I wish they had a chain net. That would have definitely gave you 90s vibes. But you do get 90s vibes off the box alone. It reads Union and all of their logos, which is dope. How they put that together. That's nice. With the number 99. The back, more the same. You got, I guess, a girl with some braids or some dreads. You know, Bephies Beauty is a is for little black girls get braids and stuff at the beauty parlor. So I like that trend. That even look like an up close picture of that. I like that. On the side, they go to Bephies Beauty logos, like I was telling you with the braids. Very dope, man. On this side, it just reads Union. We've seen that logo millions of times. It reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Hyo GSP. Flip open the lid. And you get white tissue paper along with like a project building portrait tissue paper. And it reads Jordan brand. Mine did come with a quality control stamp there and another large tag that reads 99 with the same logos we seen at the top. And here's a 360 view of the left shoe. Summer 96 Jordan 1 joints. Now, what I really do like is the gray swoosh. It reminds me of, I forget what Union pair that I owned that the swooshes changed. I think it was the canvas joint, right? I don't know those AJKOs. I can't remember. But that was the swoosh you got, gray, but that also interchanged. Here it does not, but you do have a dope yellow outlining of the gray. I think whenever you mix yellow and gray, it's hard. All right, the elephant in the room, the big thread braid around the whole sneaker that got some of you guys turned off about the sneaker. I kind of like it. I feel like if it was a color, like this nice threading of green we get, if that was there, I think the sneaker would be out the park. But they kept it neutral colors, just like the neutral gray on the swoosh. Not gonna lie, guys, the toe box looks a little different than a Jordan 1 to me, but nonetheless, the leather is premium. This leather is so soft, it feels like it's nubuck suede, guys. Smooth to touch, and as you can see, it kind of cuts off right here with a nice vintage overlook there from the toes. See the box? You really see that. You don't see that on the Jordan 1 too often, and then when you add the thread, it's even crazier. The eyelids, or shoe eyelids, it's also in that vintage yellow at the top, making it look old already. Super dope. What they did with this yellow was immaculate to me. The shoelaces, I won't say regular Jordan 1 shoelaces because it is a little premium on this. But yeah, we seen these on Jordan 1s before. The Union LA yellow OG logo is present right at the top, right under the wing logo. And the wing logo is more threaded inside, but it is neutral gray, just like the swoosh here. On the back in that nice green, I guess that stands for Bephies Beauty Supply. Looks like BBS and script letters. But I want to show y'all how this neutral gray gives it more of a vintage as it comes all the way to the back until you get to that logo. So does the braided thread also, I guess we can run with. The back also, oh, this is premium, guys. This is premium. Wow, man, this gray is so soft up here, man. And the inside is also gray. The sock liner part is also gray, but the outside material, man, it even creeps in right here at the bottom, well, in the middle too. Man, this feels like a soft couch, man. Very comfortable there. The bottom is in your vintage look, but if you've seen one Jordan 1, Dunk, Low, High, SB, that's what you're getting, but the vintage look is dope. As you can see, this is white, even though it still looks vintage. This is definitely more of a cream off-white look. Look close right here, how the braid gets sewn in there. It looks like it should be here where the shoelaces is. I find that hard, man. Your tongue has that off-white RIP to Virgil look, where you see the cotton or the cushion outside. On top of the tongue is a nice, again, neutral gray Nike Air logo. I really like it, man. That was the left. This is the right. Nothing's changed. You still get your BBS on the back. Still get your Union LA logo there. But we do get shoelaces, guys. And they're yellow. They finally color-coded matched a shoelace with a sneaker. I think this is the first time this year we got a color that we should have got. The yellow on these, I think, will be so hard. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. But yeah, you get yellow and you move the zero box. No more big pouches, sandwich pouches. I like that. The inside is that nice green, man, that you get right here on the threading. I wish we had more of this green in the sneaker. I think it would be more sought after if we did. But everything matches up from right to left. Yes, sir, man. So this is a quick review on a Jordan 1 Union Summer 96 joints. 96 was a good year, man. I'm trying to think, right? Pac, Biggie. That was a good year, man. But right now, you could get this sneaker for retail, guys. $200, $215, $190, depending on your size. I say if you like them, get them now. I'm telling you, in 6 months, I'm going to try to timetable this. I'm going to try to come back to this. But in 6 months, the sneaker's going to creep to $275. And then in a year, it's going to creep to $350. Trust me, I've seen it before. I've seen it happen with the Passport Pack from Union, man. It happens. It might be happening with them JKOs. I haven't checked. But Jordan 1s is a different animal, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.